Hey everyone, today we're going to connect a SharePoint online list directly to Power BI. This allows you to pull structured, cloud-based data into your reports and benefit from dynamic refreshes. Next, launch the Data Connection Wizard. We begin by accessing the correct data source selector in Power BI Desktop. Number 1, launch Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Number 2, access Get Data. On the Home tab, click on Get Data/More. Number 3, search source. In the Get Data window, use the search box and type SharePoint. Number 4, select SharePoint Online List. Do not choose SharePoint folder and click Connect. Next, enter URL and authenticate. You need the exact web address of the SharePoint site to establish the connection. Number 1, paste site URL. Paste the full site URL of the SharePoint site containing the list into the prompt field. Number 2, click OK to proceed. Number 3, authentication. Choose Microsoft account as the authentication method. Sign in with your username and password and click Connect. After successful authentication, Power BI will display all available lists for that site. Number 1, select the list. Click the target list you want to import into your Power BI report. Number 2, load data. Click Load to import the data list into your Power BI report. And number 3, final result. The SharePoint list is now available as a data source, and updates made in SharePoint will be reflected in your Power BI reports. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.